Drawing true filled circle on an image. I have an image which I define like the following. img equals np.zeros 474,474. I would like to draw true filled circles and not polygonal approximations of circles on this image at different coordinates as center and of a fixed radius. For example, I want to draw two circles with centers 100,200 and 150,372 with radius 2 pixels. What I am expecting is that after plotting the circles, the entries of the original image img should change to all ones where the circle is present. I tried opencvcv.circle module as well as scikit-image.draw.circle module, but they generate some polynomial approximation of circle. I was also trying the following in matplotlib, but I don't seem to understand how to plot it on my image img. Any help would be appreciated.
When drawing a circle in OpenCV, there are several parameters that can be chosen. One of them is used to define the type of the circle boundary. You have 4 types. Filled. For connected line. 8 connected line. Anti-aliased line. You can see the different effect on the following image, in same order. An example code, in C++.
Draw circles in the img.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.